Where is he gonna go?
Look at them. They're just trying to go backwards on the street. This guy over here is directing traffic.
Wow.
Look, these guys don't want to cross even the back alley. They're waiting for one car at a time.
Look, now a bunch of them are dying.
Well, it's not raining as hard now. Yeah, there's something flowing out over there.
Yeah.
Should we go look?
You want to? On the other side of it with their flashes on.
I know.
I bet they're stuck.
I'm watching them get stuck. Oh, that's... Oh, dude, what an idiot! Oh, he's stuck! What an idiot! You just saw a truck turn around. Dude!
It's not gonna work, baby.